Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. I got another one for you, and I am really upset about this one. This is my friend's truck. The catalytic converter is bad, and he's just decided to go a different route. So he had this listed for sale. Somebody came and looked at it. They got under the hood, they crawled underneath, and then they left and said they'd call back with an offer. Sure enough, my friend went to start it. It didn't start, and then he finally got it running, and it would drive for a little bit and then just lose power, cut out. So it would run and then cut out. And I said, you know, those guys might have done something. Looked under the hood, didn't see anything, but I already plugged in the Innova 5610 and already figured this out. But this is just really upsetting that somebody did this, and I'll show you what they did. So let's come over here and I'll show you what codes we have. All right, so it's dark here, sorry, but let me get connected here real quick. All right, now I've got my camera light turned off so you can see, but here's what we have. So I already knew that we had a P0430 in this truck, and I already talked to him about the catalytic converter options, and they're pretty expensive, and this truck is just something he's decided to sell and move on down the road. Let me scroll through the rest of the codes that popped up here all of a sudden. So now we also have a P0102, mass or volume airflow circuit, low input. So that's our mass airflow sensor. And here's another one, intake air temperature circuit, high input. So let's go take a look at the mass airflow sensor and I'll show you what we found. So I literally just plugged in and came over here and I said, well, here's your mass airflow sensor. Take a look at that. And look what these guys did. This is how they left it. They unplugged it and then left it on there so it wouldn't make connection. That's exactly what they did. These guys are dirty. Trying to buy a used vehicle, trying to make it run bad so that they can get a good deal for just unplugging this mass airflow sensor. Very shady, and I'm very upset. There it is right there. That's our problem. That should fix it. Now, as far as the intake air temperature, I imagine that might be in the same sensor. We're going to clear the code, start it up, and see if that solves our issue. But those guys, I wouldn't put it past them to have unplugged something else. Now that we got it plugged back in, I'm going to clear that and then start it up and see if we're good to go. We're going to erase this code. There we go. So codes are erased. Now let's see if it starts. Starts right up. If you're selling a car, you've got to not let these guys under the hood without supervising them. The thing is running perfectly now. My friend, the owner, is very honest, and he actually listed the catalytic converter being bad in the listing. He's not trying to hide anything. Now that I erased that code, it'll take a minute for that to come back on, but he's already got that in the ad. So hopefully karma will catch up with these guys, but I mean, that is so dishonest, and I hope they get what they've got coming to them. I just want to make a real quick video and show you how shady that was, or how shady that is, because that's definitely going to cause that to not start or run bad or have it cut out. It's almost like it was cutting out like in safe mode, but fired right up. Check engine light is still off. This truck runs great. So besides the bad catalytic converter, this thing is good. So that's it. Thanks again to the Innova 5610 for saving the day here. My friend was very, very thankful that I was able to figure that out easily and quickly with that tool. That's it. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up the Innova 5610 for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.